Hey there, future millionaires. Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Today, I'm going to share with you 9 powerful strategies to help you achieve financial independence and become a millionaire in just 10 short years, starting from ground zero. So grab a pen and paper, because this is the video that will change your life. Strategy 1. Set clear financial goals. It's important to know exactly what you want to achieve and create a roadmap to get there. Without a target, how will you know where to aim? Strategy 2. Work smarter, not harder. Time is your most valuable asset, so make sure you're investing it wisely in activities that will bring you closer to your financial goals. Strategy 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to mastering the art of investing. Take the time to learn about different investment opportunities and strategies that can help grow your wealth exponentially. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Strategy 4. Live below your means. It's not about how much money you make, but rather how much you keep. Practice frugality and save as much as you can to invest in your future. Strategy 5. Build a strong network. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and inspire you on your journey to financial success. You never know what opportunities may arise from a simple conversation. Strategy 6. Diversify your income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Explore different avenues such as passive income streams, side hustles, and investments to create multiple streams of revenue. Strategy 7. Take care of yourself. Your health is your greatest wealth, so make sure to prioritize self-care and maintain a healthy lifestyle. A clear mind and strong body are essential for achieving your goals. Strategy 8. Practice the power of visualization. Manifesting your dreams into reality starts with believing in yourself and visualizing your success. See yourself living the life of a millionaire and watch as the universe conspires to make it happen. Strategy 9. Stay disciplined and persistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fortune. Stay committed to your goals, remain disciplined in your actions, and never give up, no matter the obstacles you face along the way. And there you have it, future millionaires. 9 powerful strategies to help you achieve your financial dreams in just 10 years, starting from zero. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey. So start today, stay focused, and watch as your millionaire dreams become a reality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the top. Stay motivated, stay hungry, and never stop believing in yourself.